up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis. As you can see, we're driving the Accord right now. I just woke up, so I look tired as hell. That's why my eyes are a little hazy, freaking sleepy. But we're in the Accord right now. I'm gonna drop it off. It still has a transmission leak after that last video you seen. I tried to fix the leak with the new seal that I put on the car, but it's still leaking from the same spot. So I'm gonna take it to a friend of mine. He owns a shop. It's called Shaw Auto Sensor right here in Jersey City. So hopefully he can fix the leak for me. Yeah, and then hopefully after we get it back, we can finally, after the leak, we can finally do, small drive around pool so you guys can see how the car feels from my perspective inside driving it. Still hard to get into gear. I might ask him to bleed it for me a little bit more so I can, to make sure there's no air in the system until I put the custom CMC, because I ended up not putting on the CMC because I broke it. So yeah. So I'll explain that later, what happened to that. But the custom CNC would have made it work and I wouldn't have to worry about that, but I ended up breaking it. I also need a speed sensor. So my car right now is not reading speed or miles right now because I broke the speed sensor when I was taking the trans off. So yeah, so right now we're going to head to my friend's shop in this Shaw Auto Sensor. And after we get there, I'll basically turn the video back on. This is how it looked before we get there. Can't beat on it yet. There goes Shaw Auto Sensor. That's where the beast will be staying until he fixes it. So yeah, hopefully she gets fixed with this oil leak, this transmission oil leak. That's the only thing stopping me from driving her right now. I don't really care about the hard shifting gears and shit. I could deal with that. So let's see what happens. All right, so we on our way to pick up the Accord right now. Driving the TSX. So yeah, once we get there, we'll have the movement of truth. I told him to bleed the clutch also, see if there's any air in the system, just in case. Even though I bled it like a lot, but just in case there might be air in it. I don't know if they use like a tube, and then like a, I forgot what it's called. They have like a, it's like a tool that they use to take out all the air and pressure out of the lines without having somebody else to press the pedal on the other side. So we'll see. Hopefully it goes in smoother. If not, I'm just happy that the trans fluid leak is stopped. So he said it stopped already, so I'm gonna go pick it up. We're gonna see if it's true or not. The Accord right now, sadly, he said it's still hard to get into gear. So I mean, the leak is fixed. That's about it. So right now, it's gonna bounce. Take it for a ride. I don't have my GoPro on me, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record. So I'm gonna try to give you a preview with one hand how the car is driving now, so you guys can see how she's driving. Again, that's the speed sensor. The check engine light. That's for the speed sensor. Yeah. I have to install that. We'll have to buy one and install it. I think it's like 30 bucks in Honda. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how it drives. Light just turned green. First, I can't rev past 4 because of the freaking speed sensor, sadly. So like, for example, I'm gonna try to go past 4K. Watch what happens. It's just gonna put the rev limiter. Look. See, it's like on limp mode or some shit because of the speed sensor. But it goes away, so it's like every now and then it just puts it like on limp mode or whatever you want to call it. It just revs by 4K, which I'm gonna try to do a trick. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload a tune, cause I'm gonna see if I, the two-step, see if I could change it, cause I think it's just two-stepping, and then hopefully that will fix it and let me pass 4K. But see, limp mode, and then look. Well, she drives pretty good though. Drives like normal now. Just hard to get into gear sometimes, but it is what it is until I put that custom CMC, which I have right there. I have to customize it. Sucks not having my GoPro on me. I left my GoPro in the garage, but I don't smell no trans fluid, so that leads me to believe there's no leak. So he fixed the leak for me. That's the main thing I want to get fixed. I can finally drive the car now. Like when the car is driving, it's easy to get into gear. It's just first and reverse is so hard to get into gear. And then that's only when you're in a stop, you know what I'm saying? Like if you're moving, like look, I'm shifting now like nothing. Well, yeah, Accord is back. You know, I'm gonna start using it again because I have to work on the TSX. So I'm gonna have to start using this for a little bit. Soon I will be able to do that custom CMC. Hopefully one of these days get it installed. That way I don't have this issue and get that speed sensor, so I can finally go past 4K, because only sometimes it allows me, sometimes it doesn't. So yeah, it is what it is. The camera wasn't recording, but I just tried to go past 4K and it did. I'm on second now. So first it doesn't let me, but second it does. The stupid van is scared right now, so let's see, watch. Never mind. This dumbass can't drive. Alright, hold up. Damn. She pulls harder now though. She pulls way harder. Well, now it's passing 4 here. Damn, yo, she pulls so hard. I can't rev it past 4K. I don't want to still breaking in the clutch, so don't want to beat on it too much. Yeah, she's so fun. I miss driving this car so much. I completely missed driving this car. The car is so much fun, bro. There's nothing like driving a manual, like, and it's boosted. It's like full bolt on. It's not even dyno tune yet. I can't wait to get a dyno tune. Once I get a dyno tune, it's gonna be even more fun than it already is. I know that if I could get at least even 280, 290 to the wheels, I'm happy. But my goal is 300 horsepower, but if I get 280, 290, I'm happy, man. I ain't gonna get mad at that. Especially with a stock turbo, you know. I have a stock turbo. I don't have a, you know, big turbo on it from PRL or 27.1, so I'm not expecting a lot yet. But so much fun. I miss driving this car. At least I get to enjoy it now. This car's been sitting for at least 2 months, and yeah, it's time for me to enjoy it and drive it. So even though, you know, sometimes it doesn't let me pass 4K, but whatever. Still get to enjoy it. Don't know what they did. They bled the clutch for me, but it's getting into gear smoother. You said it wasn't, but I'm doing it with one hand now, and it's shifting perfectly fine. So, and it's on stop. Look, watch. Stop. See? Like, it's easier than before. Before I had to fucking fight it. I had to fight it for like a fucking while just to get into gear. It's not that bad compared to what it was before. I still need to put that CMC, but it's fine. Damn, bro. So much fun, bro. Oh, man. I miss driving this shit. I barely look at it from the outside because it's been in my garage for like 2 months. I can't wait just to go outside and just look at it. Enjoy it. Just look at it. Like, got the TSX in the back. TSX is in the back. This car is amazing, bro. Yeah, this is fun, bro. I miss driving this shit so much. I have like a 525 BMW in front of me. It's starting to speed up. Oh man, this is gonna be so much fun now. I'm gonna take it to work today. I'm gonna enjoy this. I love this car, bro. I miss this shit so much. You never know what you love a car or miss a car until you freaking not drive it for a long time. I miss driving this. You can tell from the smile on my face, bro. I don't be smiling like that. Yo, this car is fucking fun. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to you guys in the house. I can't be holding the phone and shifting at the same time. So before I show you guys the outside of the car, I want to show you guys the engine bay, how's it looking. I don't know if you guys remember that I put the gold wrap in there to absorb basically heat so that it don't get hot. Temperature stay low. Well, this is how it's looking. I just installed my cone back on that it came off. Everything's nice and tight, not moving. Real good. Looks really good. Love how it looks. Can't wait to drive it again. Which I put a cardboard under the bottom. This is the other piece of cardboard, which I still have it under there. This is what the leak used to look like, and as you can see, no leak. No leak. So that means the trans is good. Not leaking no more. It's a good thing. The only thing we gotta do now is the clutch master cylinder that I gotta figure out how I'm gonna fix it because I ended up breaking it. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick why is it broken. I broke it. That was my fault. But it is what it is. So this is it right here. As you can see, I broke it. So yeah. So I'm gonna fix it. Once I fix it, then I'm gonna install it, and once I install this, all my issues should be gone. And then I gotta get a speed sensor, but that's it. There she is, right here. She's dirty, but this is her. Looking all good and beastly. Damn. Sexy. Don't mind them crazy people, bro. She looks sexy, bro. Well, this is where I'm gonna end the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed the clips and shit. I hope you guys enjoy the content. Again, you can stay tuned for tomorrow's video or whenever I post it. Yeah. I'm gonna do a POV of me driving the car, so stay tuned for that, alright? Like, comment, subscribe, like I always say. Remember, you have a dream big, keep your eyes wide open. That's how you do it. So the only way to do it is stay motivated, and you can do what you gotta do. Now I just got a few more steps with this car, and then I can finally dyno it, and then finally hit the track. So anything is possible as long as you set your mind to it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.